So, travel day is before the actual travel day here because we are an autism family and prep is key. It will make or break the vacation depending on how things flow, right? It will determine how stress free the vacation is for me and for the girls. You know what I mean? And here is autism times two. We have two beautiful daughters on the autism spectrum, Kara, who is my 16-year-old, and Sydney, who is my 20-year-old. And that's who we are going to be focused on in this video. Sydney and I are going to do a mommy and me getaway, and it's different. The two are very different, similar in some things, but personality wise, they are different. So what I need to do for one, I don't necessarily need to do for the other. But we are going to focus on Sydney for this getaway, and I just want you to see how it is with a 20-year-old, adult, right? She is considered an adult, but at the same time, she's still my baby. And I just want to share with you how things kind of flow for Sydney specifically, right? Let's get away. So like I said, they are completely different. We're going to focus on Sydney and what she needs. If I don't have this, it might not be such a good trip. You know what I mean? So I want to show you the bag that I got for both of them, right? Our travel kind of getaway bag, right? You guys have already seen my go-to, that kind of nylon-y material. It goes through all kinds of things, slips under the seat in the airplane and things, and it's just totally convenient for me. I got the girls a similar bag, so I want to show you how things are going to rock in here for Sydney. So this is the bag that I have for both girls, actually, right? I grabbed it from Amazon. It is perfect. I feel like it's almost better than the one I have just because it's a little bit more on the storage. I'm really big on being able to slip some things in here and have easy access. Easy access, oh my goodness, that is a priority, right? So yes on that. I'm gonna start on the outside. So the two zippers here, this is where she will have her portable charger, which we'll need, right? Her charger is in here. So she can just, when this is under the seat, if she needs her charger, she can just zip it, pull it out, right? Yes. So that is in here. Over here, she's going to have quick, would you like some Pop-Tarts? She's not as picky as Kara. This, if I forgot this, the trip will be ruined. Not so much for Sydney, but she does like them. So just in case she's not rocking with something else, she has the option. So I have some Pop-Tarts in there. And out of the two girls, Sydney is my straw girl. So this is a portable straw, right? I'm able to clean it and everything. Hold on. So I just opened it and extended it for you, right? So this is perfect. It comes with a brush, and then the brush goes back in here and boom, right back in the bag, and we're good to go. So if we happen to be in a hotel room or something and she needs a straw, we have it. So those are the only things in here that Sydney would maybe look for, right? But otherwise, she is set over here. Water bottles for us are a must. Of course, when you're going through TSA and all the things, you can have liquids. So anything we have gets emptied out. And the minute I cross TSA, right, I am filling up bottles and doing all the things because we never know when the service on the plane is going to start. And if I'm thirsty or if she, starts to cough or just anything, we have our own, situation going on. And this expands. So remember I showed you it expands, right? So I would expand it, fill it up. And, you know, the top comes off here and she's able, you know, she's good to go. And we both have one. So that fits perfectly on the side of the bag. And just another feature I like about the bag, if we needed to, we would be able to slide this right on down the handle of a suitcase. So that's convenient. Also, it has a compartment underneath, right, on the bottom for shoes or just whatever you want to put in here, right? This is turning out to be the perfect getaway bag, right? Oh my goodness, yes on that. So it's very comfortable too, like on the shoulder. So this is a must for me. And then the two, you know, double handles here, however she wants to carry it, right? So in here are just her must-haves, right? So we're gonna do a crossbody. This is when we're out and about. She's not carrying a backpack. And also, it's not heavy and big. It's something I could slide right in here. So these are her personal things, whatever she needs when we're out and about, right? So yes on that. It just goes across, you know, her front, or she could wear it around her waist, whatever she wants to do, right? A packing cube, and everything is in here for our travels, right? All the undies and night shirts and clothes and all the things, right? And here I have the Toy Story 5. It's like a sticker book, right? So she's very big into Toy Story, and that is rocking, you know, this weekend, and we are definitely going to see it. So yes on that. And tucked in here, all charged up and ready to go, are Sydney's Beats. These are her headphones, and yeah, she's really responsible with them because, you know, this is kind of Sydney's thing. When she's out and about, she is rocking her headphones. Sometimes I feel like she's just using them to block out sound because she's not watching anything. She just has them on for comfort, right? So I feel like, and this is going to hold her Barbies, which you guys will see on vacation. They go everywhere with us. So instead of her having her big backpack, the Barbies that she's rocking now are all pool related. So they will fit straight across in here, right? So yes on that. I'm going to throw in a clip where I'm going to show you how they're in here really fast. So one of the things that are a must for Sydney is her microphone. She is constantly singing. She's singing now as I'm recording. I don't know if you could hear her, but she's watching her show. She's singing a song. It makes her happy. So right now, her Wicked microphone, this is the one that goes everywhere with her. So yes on that. So what I did was put all of the Barbies that she's rocking. So right now, these are all, I think, swimming Barbie. I think, oh, pool Barbie. I feel like that's what she's calling them. So these are the ones that are usually on the kitchen table, right? So instead of her carrying a really big bag, we want to be as minimal as possible, right? But still, you know, making her happy. I brought this from Target Dollar Spot, $1, right? This was perfect. When I saw it, I knew I had to pick it up because I knew it was going to hold all of the dolls that she's rocking right now, right? Next time I film something like this, it'll probably be another set of dolls, but I had to strategically place them in there, kind of one this way, right? I think it might be 6 in here total. I almost thought I wasn't going to be able to get that last one in there. 1, 2. Yeah, I think it's 2 guys and 4 girls, I feel like. Oh my goodness. But yes on that. So this right into her carry-on bag, right? So yes on that. And then her iPad is in here, right? Nice, safe, secure. So yeah, we are rocking. So this is perfect for Sydney, and it will be perfect for Kara as well. She's able to carry it even on her shoulders if she wanted to, or on her arm, whatever, you know, is more comfortable for her. But I'm so excited, and she knows that we're leaving in a couple days. So yes on that. All right, you guys. So the next time we see you, we are going to be headed out to our destination and we're going to have so much fun. It's really geared towards what Sydney likes to do, what her interests are, and things like that. Like I said, the girls are totally different personalities, but this trip right here, Sydney is going to really enjoy. I think I said to you guys before, the girls go to school all year round. So, you know, it's important that they get a break, also a break from each other. That is very important. And it is important that they get their mommy and me time for me, right? So, yes on that. So, don't forget to subscribe, you guys, for more. And I'll see you in a couple days. Bye.